talk about when it comes to this development that has taken place in the Middle East. We have seen the Syria crisis and the civil war exactly leading to the ouster of the Assad government. Now, when it comes to the government of India, which has been monitoring the situation there, especially with effect to Indian nationals who were stranded in Syria, the government of India has now evacuated 75 Indian nationals from Syria following the recent developments in the country. All of the Indian nationals have safely crossed over to Lebanon and will return by available commercial flights to India. The evacuation that has been coordinated by the embassies of India in Damascus and in Beirut was put into effect following the assessment of the security situation and the request from the Indian nationals in Syria who wanted to be evacuated. We have Rishabh with us right now. Rishabh, already owing to the situation there in Syria, the government of India had already given out advisories, especially when it comes to the Indian nationals. Now this successful evacuation process that has now been carried out, at least 75 Indian nationals have been taken out from Syria.
Well, definitely. 75 Indian nationals have been taken out from Syria is what we are given to understand. That as per the External Affairs Ministry here in New Delhi, the embassy of India in Damascus in Syria and Beirut in Lebanon, both the embassies coordinated and have evacuated at least 75 Indians, which include 44 pilgrims from Jammu and Kashmir who were in Syria for pilgrimage. All of them have been evacuated, and now what we are given to understand that they are in Beirut, and with using commercial flight they'll be brought back to India. So definitely in the volatile situation and developing situation in Syria, as India has been issuing advisory, now it is clear that India has evacuated 75 people, Indian nationals from there. What initially we were told that there are 90 odd Indians, so we'll have to wait and understand if there are any more Indians left or all of them have left the civil war-torn country.
Absolutely, because the MEA said that the government accords the highest priority to the safety and security of Indian nationals abroad, and they have also been advised to stay in touch with the Indian embassy in Damascus as well. So advisories and all help possible, Rishabh, has been given out when it comes to the Indian embassy and the diplomats there who have been coordinating these evacuation efforts.
Yes, definitely. There have been multiple advisories that have been released by External Affairs Ministry, where they have asked the Indian nationals to leave Syria as soon as possible, and second, that if you are still in Syria, be in touch with the Indian embassy, register yourself with the Indian embassy, and that's the reason that this swift evacuation from Damascus was, possible. See, if we talk about the evacuation has happened on road, and a bus from Syria was crossed over to Lebanon, which means that a lot of diplomatic channels were opened between Delhi, Beirut and Damascus to ensure the safety of these Indian nationals who were by road crossing over to Lebanon. And having said that, as of now, there is no authority.
So successful evacuation that has now been carried out of the 75 stranded Indian nationals from Syria, where pictures that have also been shared on part of India in Lebanon, the Embassy of India in Beirut, where pictures that have been shared of most of them hailing from Jammu and Kashmir, who were stranded at Saida Janab, that have now, they've reached Beirut, and going on to say that all of the 75 Indian nationals who have been evacuated from Syria, including 44 Zareen from Jammu and Kashmir, who were stranded at Saida Janab and have now reached Beirut. The ambassador has received them upon their arrival in Beirut, and they will return by available commercial flights to India. So pictures that have been shared along with the Indian national flag on the 75 Indian nationals who have been successfully evacuated from Syria. Thank you very much, Rishabh, for joining in.